live and breathe it.
Okay, now you should have a message that says this meeting is being recorded. Okay.
Yes.
So to get the slope intercept form, I'm sorry, to get the point slope form, it doesn't matter. You could do them either way.
Okay.
You would multiply both sides by the denominator, x plus 7, and you would have y plus 5 equals 4 times x plus 7. And that is the slope, the point slope form. Now you could have gone directly to this. If you're comfortable with that, you could say, okay, it's y minus minus 5 equals 4 times x minus minus 7. All right, so that's the point slope form. And the reason it's called that is you have to have the slope and a point. All right, now to get the slope intercept form, you just multiply this out. And when you multiply that out, you get what?
It's 4x times, or sorry, it's 4x plus 28.
Correct. Okay, now you have to get it, make it look like y equals mx plus b.
Okay.
I'm
So I
sorry.
subtract 5.
I made a little error here that I left off the minus sign.
Oh.
That's important. Yeah. Okay, so now I subtract 5 from both sides, and I get y equals minus 4x plus 28, and then minus 5. And you could just put 23. So that's, no, I want this to be clear as possible. Minus 4x plus 28 minus 5 is 23. And so this is slope intercept form. And there you have it.
All right.
So now I don't know what you need to do to make that work, but the directions are write an equation for the line in point slope form and in slope intercept form, passing through that point and parallel to that. So parallel, you got the same slope. If they had said perpendicular, then we would put positive 1/4 instead of negative 4.
Okay.
All right, so now you see if I can make this happen.
Oops. Oh my gosh.
Now, if you want, you can share your screen again. If you don't want to, that's fine too.
Oh, I didn't realize I wasn't sharing anymore.
Yeah, when I started sharing it
Awesome. Okay. Let me see real fast because I feel like if I have the equations, I might do okay, but I'm gonna look through to see if there's something else that I might um need help on. I don't want to take too much of your time.
That's fine. I'm, I'm, I've got nothing planned. Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing mine. So now you can share yours if you want to.
Okay. So for the last one that we did for slope intercept form, that's the slope intercept form is y equals mx plus b, right?
Correct. And the point slope form is y minus y sub 1 equals m parentheses x minus x sub 1. Of course,
Uh-huh.
you know, yeah, I don't really know if they want you to put y minus minus 5 equals negative 4 parentheses x minus minus 7. I mean, they might want you to do that. I don't really know for sure.
Uh-huh. I think for point slope and for because that's pretty much what everything was, and what I was most confused about was like specifically um just the equations and how they like interact with each other. I think that's what was confusing me the most, like how you go from point slope to slope intercept. I think I instead of seeing them as things that lead up to each other, I think I just saw them as just two entirely different things. Um, I
Uh,
think I think that's the main issue I was dealing with for the moment. I was telling my professor that I struggle with, I'll know what to do. And this is what frustrates me the most. I'll know what to do, and I'll do these equations over and over and over again to study. I took my practice test like 10 times to study for my test, but it's like the physically doing the math that is like what I struggle with, which is unfortunate. But I think my questions have pretty much been answered for the point slope and the slope intercept form. Is there anything that you feel like I need to know for like this
no,
in
I'm
particular?
I'm here just to answer your questions and explain stuff to you. So yeah, I don't have. I
Um,
mean, I don't see any glaring issues that I need to go over. You, if you feel like you understand it, then probably do.
all right. Um, I will say that I might need your help again sometime next week.
Yeah, that's
Um,
fine.
thank you so much. I feel bad. Um I feel bad asking for so much help.